Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks using Webull. First, sign in and complete identity verification so your account is trade-ready. Next, link your bank and transfer funds via ACH or wire so you have buying power. Finally, explore the trade ticket, set order type, and consider dollar cost averaging for new positions to manage risk while you learn the platform. Open the trade ticket and pick your ticker symbol, keeping a clear plan for entry and size. Decide between market for immediate fills or limit to control price, and set stop orders to manage downside. Review the total cost including any margin or fees, then submit and monitor the order until it fills. Adjust or cancel orders promptly if market conditions change while you wait. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep tidy, travel-friendly, and they actually seal so your salads and sauces stay put. They're great for saving time between trades and keeping snacks ready while you research stocks. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After you buy, watch your positions using Webull charts and customizable alerts to stay on top of moves. Use limit sells or trailing stops to lock gains or cut losses, and review news and earnings tied to your holdings. Keep records of cost basis and transactions so taxes are easier later, and periodically rebalance to align holdings with your risk tolerance and financial goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.